Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj. Friday, October 26, 2001, 8 am. My daughter, think of your master who is tired also and who must proceed in this way until the end. How could he do otherwise? All our candidates count on him and appeal to him from their hearts. In spite of his shaky health, he continues to fulfill his role. He cannot desert since he is invested with a high level mission. The life of a master of this level is heavy to lead. It requires great fortitude. Alone and misunderstood, he must continue on his road with only the desire to do what we expect of him and to please us. Our love carries him as much as possible, but you are well placed to know how hard it is to be unable to assume certain obligations anymore. Think of him. Let your heart be full of love for this higher being who must struggle and face so many problems which he cannot solve humanly. Also, think of his helplessness in the face of conflicts generated by some of our brothers and which affect him deeply. Also, he cannot change human beings with the wave of a magic wand. He is doing what he came for, and he is doing it well. God is great, he does the rest. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 5 pm. My child, receive this special blessing. You see how love can be given and received. It is like a swirl that rocks man's heart by its sometimes sudden nature. Forget your worries for a while. Let yourself go and taste the grace bestowed on you. We cannot remain insensitive to your worries and your sufferings. They make an impression on your way, thus ennobling it. You are not alone in so far as we look after you, even if we do not express it in an outstanding way. Be at peace, let yourself be carried away by this wave that takes you far from arid banks and unspeakable struggles. It is all done on purpose and necessary for your evolution. This argument is difficult to understand, but it bears fruit which will delight you one day. Continue on your path light-heartedly. It is all mapped out. You cannot shorten it, which is good as it is. Trust in your destiny. Our love is meant to embellish it as best as possible. Babuji Maharaj.